everyone, meet my friend Mitra.
Hello everyone! Hi! Now I am a birder. So I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now Mitra here, she's very, very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, I'm not crazy. You are.
Okay, I am. Okay, so Mitra, can you share with them how many birds have you seen?
So last year I saw about 1,000 birds. This year I want to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Yes. Alright, keeping aside everyone, let us begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible twin friends. First up, South America. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tembo Hata River. We might see the footprints of the jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon.
Dia bosan dia yang pulang.
Okay, let's try this one more time. All the way up there.